Hello everybody and welcome to 5 minutes of channel. In this video I want to talk about a great real-time alerting solution for ZOS environment. In 5 minutes, of course. First of all, what is the difference between logging and alerting? Well, logging refers to the practice of logging errors, changes and activity in general on both system and application. This log can be used to review any event within a system, including failures, state transformations, and to identify the reason of performance problems. And also, logging can be used for auditing and compliance purpose. Alerting is a part of a continuous running monitoring process to identify suspicious activities, inappropriate actions, and any other operation or malicious actions on critical data and resources in the system. And this is very important if you want to work with a CIM in a SOAR architecture to receive alerts and manage cyber threats, because with this integration, you are able to reduce the intervention time in order to take an immediate corrective action. zAlert is an alerting solution, probably the first near real-time monitor solution for ZOS systems, where it is running RACF or ACF2 as security server. zAlert can monitor different event types, such as authentication failures and access violations on sensitive resources, in order to be compliant with the main standards and compliance, such as PCI DSS, STIG, GSD, and so on. And also it can monitor any inappropriate operation with the option to trigger an immediate action to stop the malicious activity. To do this, it provides more than 80 control out of the box, ready to be activated in order to satisfy a lot of the most important security needs. zSecure Alert is part of the zSecure product family. It can be bought as a single module or as a bundle that includes other zSecure modules. The main features regard the control of operating system parameters and its components, such as RACF, Unit System Services, TCP/IP, DB2, and so on. So you can identify and notify improper actions that may compromise the system using standard alarms provided by the product, but you can create customized alarms using the Carla language. The alerting can be done in different ways: by right operator on the system console, using SNMP messages, sending SMS or sending a mail, and forwarding events by the syslog protocol. zSecure Alert uses 4 main components: the Secure Carla engine, the reporter module that reads and processes the input source for zAlert, such as SMF record, right operator, RACF database, and the configuration information from the CK-freeze dataset. CKF call is the collector program that collects all ZOS system configuration information, such as system libraries, Unix files, parmlib options, and many more things. C2 Police is the zAlert started task in continuous running on the system, responsible to install the exits required to start zSecure collect tasks, scheduling the buffers, and controlling the alert reporting task. And finally, we have the C2P SMF U8 module used by zAlert to load dynamic SMF exits in order to capture the SMF data required to trigger the alerts. How does it work? Well, when you start zAlert started task, it dynamically enables the SMF exits and install itself as an extended master console, and periodically starts the zSecure collect program to obtain information about the system environment. In addition, it starts the audit task at each reporting interval for analysis and alert report generation. Then alerts are reported to different destinations, such as email, VTO, Unix syslog, SNP, or a combination of these destinations. When the event is generated on ZOS, the zSecure Alert sensors are used to capture SMF records from all ZOS system tasks before they are written into the SMF log. but also zAlert is able to capture operator messages written on the ZOS system log. And finally, zAlert uses the collector task to retrieve information regarding the system status from ZOS operating system and from RACF database. In the process phase, zAlert uses the controller to store the event received by the sensor into the recent buffer. At the same time, the previous collected information stored in the recent buffer is automatically copied to the history buffer. Then the reporter task verifies whether any of the loaded events triggers one of the active alerts. And finally, zAlert uses the output channels to send the alerts. Which type of alerts? Well, we have more than 80 predefined alerts classified by categories such as user, group, dataset, general resources that can be selected for the activation. In this way, you are ready to send all these alerts to a CIEM platform such as QRadar, ArcSight, or Splunk in order to allow the SOC team to be aware of what is happening on the ZOS platform. Thank you for your attention, and if you want to know more on zSecurity solutions, subscribe to this channel. Bye bye from Luigi.